linking Radiators to the app. The first time you try to link Radiators to the app, you will see two symbols on the main screen, one at the bottom and another one in the middle of the screen. Press either of them. The next screen will remind you that you have to verify that the external thermostat has to be previously linked to the radiator by following the instructions on the user manual. Once it is verified, press Continue. Now proceed to link the radiator. The app screen will show you that you have to verify that the heater is powered on. Then press the Mode key on the external thermostat for a few seconds until the Wi-Fi symbol blinks and the words Wi-Fi INI appears on the thermostat screen. After this, press Continue on the app screen. Following the instructions on the app screen, now go to Wi-Fi settings on the mobile or tablet, find WCLM network and connect. Then press Go to Wi-Fi settings. In mobile Wi-Fi settings, wait a few seconds until the network WCLM appears. In case it does not appear, close the wireless LAN connection and open it again. You may have to close and open the wireless LAN connection several times until the WCLM network appears. It will depend on the version of your mobile or tablet. Also, your mobile may ask you to stay connected to the network that seems to have no internet access. Agree on staying connected. On the mobile, return back to the Harmony app which appears on the last screen mentioned. Now press Search. After a few seconds, a menu with different Wi-Fi networks will appear on the screen. Select the one you use at home and enter the password so the heater can be linked. Then confirm. After several seconds, depending on the Wi-Fi signal and server connection, the heater will be linked. You will be directed to the heater identification screen. Here you choose the heater name and icon. You can also assign a home in case you have several. Then save settings. You will then be directed to the main screen where the heater appears as already linked.